Let's go see if that Bedliner is drying out there. See what it feels like. It's late at night. I left everything set up the way it was. I want to see if this is dried. Yep, that's gotten nice and hard. Still a tiny bit tacky, but it is drying. It's very cold, so that's a good sign. Let's pop the door here. Have a peek on the inside. Oh, it's still nice and warm in here. Yeah, that feels good. This stuff up here feels hard. That's going to cover real good. I'll be able to cover that with another coat. Things will be wonderful. Wonderful. So, I have an idea about putting RGBs down here. So down and around the edges, up the side here. And then this handle kind of screws up the alignment. But I could stop them here. I'd kind of like it if they went all the way up into this area though, and just followed it. So same thing on the other side. If you look where that red is, RGB's all the way up to the top, from the bottom to the top, and then across the bottom down here, so that the signal goes out from here and goes up both sides, nice and symmetrical. That's my idea. I got the heater over there on like mid, so it's like 70 degrees in here, something like that. I like it. I think we're in fine shape.